5-year sewer odor. We're about to figure it out right now. We get a call from Jerry, who's been suffering from this sewer odor in his condo for 5 years. He's had multiple companies out, plumbers to contractors, and they just can't seem to figure it out. So we got some work ahead of us. Jerry,
Nice meeting you.
nice to meet you. So you've been dealing with this for 5 years?
About 5 years. We moved in about 7-8 years ago. First 2 to 3 years, it was okay. We didn't notice it. Third year, we had guests stay over, and they were like, "What is the smell?" They couldn't sleep in that room. This year is unusual because the only time I really smelled it strong, about 2 weeks ago, when it was consistently in the 90s. Around the same time, we were having sewer fly issues. We've had one crew drop smoke bombs. You could see the smoke, but you couldn't tell where it's coming from. And most recently, last year, the builders hired a company, put the smoke inside the outside sewer.
Okay.
Couldn't find the source of it.
Any actual leaks.
Do you mind walking into the bathroom here? When was the building built?
7-8 years ago.
Okay, yeah, it's fairly new. Did you see the smoke kind of lingering when they did the smoke test?
We vaguely saw it, but you couldn't see where it's coming out from.
What's behind here? Closet?
The other bathroom.
Does that bathroom ever smell?
Yeah, we have the same issue.
Same issue.
What they did the first time around was they resealed the toilet base.
And that didn't make a difference?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You notice any sewer odor when you kick on your air conditioning at all? Is
No.
it worse? No?
No.
Okay.
To the roof! I have an idea!
We have
The vents there.
2 vents over there.
Where did they inject the smoke when they did it?
I think it was this one. Just dropped it straight down.
Okay.
We have a boiler here. But
Okay.
You can smell.
Oh, yeah. Really strong right here.
I didn't realize it till recently. I came
Really strong.
This could be it.
So you could see, guys, how that utility room for sure is smelling. So something I believe is within those walls, and that sewer odor is dropping down. It's gonna have a lot of smoke to fill up in this system here. It's 3 levels.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
There's a gas leak right here. There's no pipe sealant right here on these threads. They just screwed right into it.
Seems dangerous.
Right now we're setting up the smoke machine so we can start doing a smoke test through the vents up on top of the roof right here.
we're gonna start with this vent here first. We already have smoke coming out of here, so we capped that off. I think Dave's in here right now. God, smoke! Check it out. It's coming up through here. Look at this. See the smoke there? Look at that. Tons of smoke. We gotta take this off, and we may have to open up this to get our cameras in there and see what's going on. Look at that.
This is the moment that keeps me going. I love this, you guys.
We're getting a lot of smoke
Where's it coming out of?
Underneath this floor here. We're gonna take off that flashing there that's around this and see what we can find underneath here. But definitely a breach in the sewer pipe.
Can we just go home now, Jerry?
No.
Okay.
Well, it was worth a shot.
So Jerry's documenting everything because obviously this is a new complex. It's still under the 10-year warranty. So he's documenting everything so he can get reimbursed. The builders obviously have had a lot of opportunity to figure this out and just have not been able to.
Give me my money back!
This is the utility room. So we're gonna make a small incision right here. Maybe the vents come across this way. Definitely onto something though. Good feeling. I'm trying to figure out his sewer fly issue. A lot of times there's biofilm, you guys, that are inside sinks. It's a perfect opportunity for sewer flies to develop. A good brush, you can get one at Target or Walmart. Just keep this pipe right here clean. That'll help prevent odors, blockages, and sewer flies. I'm absolutely shocked that they didn't get smoke. A lot of times where people engage with sewer smoke detection companies and they're not really accustomed to doing it, they just throw smoke candles down. That doesn't work. You've got to know what you're doing. You've got to have that skill set. If not, anybody can just throw a smoke candle down the drain. And in this case, you could tell it obviously didn't work. It wasn't effective. I'm going to have Enrique go like this and try to listen where he's at.
That pipe is right here.
One up here.
Right here would be the better spot.
Okay,
Folks.
Mark and I are kind of going back and forth. We're battling. We got a $100 bet here. So I want to open up here. Mark, show them where you want to open up.
We see the pipes coming through, so we did a camera inspection. I located the sewer pipe to be somewhere in this wall right around here. So that's where I would want to open up. But we're going to see who wins.
Yep, let's do it.
Challenge accepted.
Jerry just pointed this out here.
My handyman touched the middle and he says still wet.
It was wet, okay.
That's weird.
So now that we've got this opened up, we're gonna kick the smoke on and see where the smoke is traveling from.
Nothing here, sir.
Look at Mark, he's all excited. He's looking right here like we should have just opened up right here. But you guys, he's off like 7 feet, so I'm not worried about it.
You sound pretty cocky.
What do you see, Joe? I see smoke here. It's coming in this direction here, if you can see.
I won the $100.
You weren't even close.
All right, Jerry, so what's going through your mind at this point?
I'm getting more optimistic.
I need to make this a little bit bigger, Dable.
I can't fit through there.
Come on, guys. Hold on. Massive sand tee that was left open, never capped off. 5 years, and we were able to solve it within 5 minutes.
No, don't exaggerate, Jimmy. It's not 5 minutes.
What do you think, Enrique?
How long have we been here?
Hour and a half? 2 hours.
2 hours tops.
Híjole, eso es chingón.
Es el más
Eso es
chingón trabajo que nosotros hacemos.
That'll prevent the sewer gases, and then when they come and do the repair, they're going to remove that.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, we have all the evidence. All the sequence of events to lead us to this open pipe here.
What do you think now, Jerry?
It's amazing. After 5 years of this problem, 2 contractor and they couldn't figure it out. It's amazing how you guys figured it out, because the builder did not want to open up anything. And I said, look, I think it's coming in between the walls. You need to open it up. Sure enough, when you opened it up, you found something which was blatantly negligent. I mean, it's terrible. It's not even a crack anywhere.
It's wide open.
Yeah, it's just unbelievable.
And that'll release a lot of sewer gas. That 2-inch pipe there
Yeah.
releases so much sewer gas.
And I'm thinking, the sewer flies are going through that system and it's leaking out.
Exactly.
Because you find the sewer flies along this hallway and the 2 bathrooms.
Oh.
So I'm thinking that's it.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's exactly it.
Job well done.
All right, Dave. You were right on this one. But there's always next time.
Thank you. I need this. I need it because look at, I need to get all of my shirt laundered, you guys. I was the dirty one.
You know what? Here, Jim. You take it.
I love my brother.
Thanks, brother.
All right, guys, as you can see, I was the brains behind it all. Jimmy was the hard worker, so it took 2 of us to figure this out. But these are the moments right here that just keep us going, solving these type of issues.
Guys, leave your comments down below.
Hit that subscribe button,
And we'll see you on the next one.